Have you ever wondered when the concept of baby food was first introduced and why it was even necessary? It's a fascinating journey that takes us back to the late 19th century, a time of major societal changes. As the Industrial Revolution roared on, more and more mothers found themselves trading the domestic sphere for the workforce. This shift was transformative, not just for the women themselves, but for the entire family structure. And with this change came a new challenge: how to feed the youngest members of the family when mom was away at work. Enter the concept of baby food. The idea was simple but revolutionary. Create a product that could be easily prepared and consumed by infants, providing them with the necessary nutrients when breastfeeding wasn't possible. This was a game changer, as you can imagine. The first baby food products weren't the jars of pureed fruits and veggies we're familiar with today. They were more like gruel or porridge made from grains and milk. These products were easy to prepare, non-perishable, and met the basic nutritional needs of babies. Reception in society? It was a hit. These products were seen as a godsend by working mothers, enabling them to provide for their families both financially and nutritionally. They were also embraced by health professionals of the time, who saw them as a reliable way to ensure infants received proper nutrition. As the 20th century dawned, the baby food industry began to diversify its offerings. Companies started to experiment with different ingredients, introducing a wider variety of flavors and textures. The industry was quick to adopt new preservation techniques, leading to the birth of canned and jarred baby food. These innovations further solidified the role of baby food in society, making it an essential part of child rearing. So, the baby food industry was born out of necessity, and it rapidly grew as societies evolved. But how has it changed over the years? Stay tuned as we delve into the evolution and trends of this fascinating industry. From its humble beginnings, the baby food industry has undergone significant transformations. But what exactly has changed? The evolution of the baby food industry is a fascinating story, marked by scientific advancements, shifting societal norms, and changing parental attitudes. In the early days, baby food was a simple affair, often just a pureed version of adult meals. However, as our understanding of nutrition expanded, so did the complexity of baby food. The mid-20th century saw an explosion of new products as food science advancements allowed for the creation of nutritionally balanced meals, specifically designed for infants. Brands began to focus on convenience, introducing jarred foods that could be easily stored and served, a godsend for busy parents. But as we moved into the 21st century, societal norms began to shift. Parents became increasingly concerned about the quality of the food they were feeding their children. They started questioning the ingredients in traditional baby food products, leading to a demand for more transparency from baby food manufacturers. This shift in parental attitudes has significantly influenced the industry. In response to these concerns, many companies have started to prioritize the use of organic and natural ingredients in their products. Today, it's not uncommon to see baby food labels boasting about their organic certification or lack of artificial preservatives. Moreover, we've seen a resurgence of homemade baby food, fueled by a desire for control over what goes into children's meals. This trend has led to the development of innovative products like baby food makers, which allow parents to easily make their own purees at home. The rise of e-commerce has also played a significant role in the evolution of the baby food industry. With online shopping, parents can easily compare products, read reviews, and have their preferred baby food delivered right to their doorstep. The baby food industry has come a long way since its inception, adapting to the changing times and consumer preferences. But what does the future hold for this industry? Stay tuned as we delve into the exciting world of artificial intelligence and its impact on the baby food industry. With the advent of technology, artificial intelligence is making waves in almost every industry. But how is it impacting the baby food industry? The baby food industry is no stranger to the transformative power of technology. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the latest tool being harnessed to revolutionize this sector. It's being used in a myriad of ways, from product development to consumer engagement to supply chain optimization. In terms of product development, AI is instrumental in creating more nutritious, safer, and tastier options for our little ones. It can analyze a vast amount of data, from scientific research to consumer feedback, to help manufacturers understand what parents want and need for their children. This data-driven approach allows for a more tailored and responsive product development process. For instance, Some companies are using AI to develop allergen-free foods or foods that support brain development based on the insights they gather. When it comes to consumer engagement, AI is also playing a pivotal role. Through machine learning and predictive analytics, AI can help companies understand consumer behavior and preferences. This can lead to more personalized marketing strategies and better customer service. Imagine a world where your favorite baby food brand knows your child's flavor preferences and nutritional needs and recommends products accordingly. That's the power of AI in consumer engagement. AI is also optimizing supply chain processes. From forecasting demand to managing inventory and logistics, AI can streamline these processes, resulting in reduced waste and improved efficiency. In the highly competitive baby food market, this can give companies the edge they need to thrive. And these are just a few examples. Companies like Yumi, a tech-driven baby food startup, are leveraging AI to provide custom meal plans for babies based on their age, dietary needs, and flavor preferences. As we can see, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the baby food industry, reshaping it for the better. But what does this mean for consumers and the industry as a whole? So, what can we expect from the baby food industry in the future? As we look ahead, we can anticipate a marriage of tradition and technology in the baby food industry. Think about it. The continued influence of artificial intelligence will likely usher in a new era of personalized baby food products. Imagine food tailored to your baby's unique needs and preferences, all thanks to the power of AI. But that's not all. We can also expect more interactive consumer experiences. Technology will empower us to engage more deeply with the brands that nourish our little ones. And remember, this isn't just about convenience or novelty, it's about ensuring our children receive the best. Moreover, advancements in AI will continue to enhance product quality and safety. This means peace of mind for parents, knowing that the food their babies consume is not only nutritious, but also safe. The future of the baby food industry appears to be a fascinating blend of tradition and technology, promising exciting developments for consumers and the industry alike.